and plywood walls.
A health care reform bill has passed the House of Representatives, albeit by a very slim margin. Now all eyes shift to the Senate. The issue is considered make or break for President Obama, who has promised to deliver on health care reform since he was on the campaign trail. But the fight to get a final bill to the president is far from over. His big weekend push to House Democrats apparently having paid dividends. President Obama appeared energized Sunday.
For years, we've been told that this couldn't be done. After all, neither chamber of Congress has been able to pass a comprehensive health insurance reform bill for generations. But last night, the House proved differently.
The final vote was 220 to 215 in favor on the House floor late Saturday. Representative Joseph Cow was the only Republican to vote for the measure. He said he did what was needed for his constituents, many of whom are poor and uninsured.
In Congress, as you know, we will never get a perfect bill. And I had to make a decision, and I felt that last night's decision was the right decision for my district, even though it was not the popular decision for my party.
But fellow Republican Brian Bilbray points out that 39 Democrats voted against the bill. He tells KUSI that this House bill is too costly and too intrusive.
What's being proposed in the House bill is literally mandating that if you want to be an American citizen living in America, you do not have a right to live here now unless you buy some kind of insurance, which is something we've never done before.
The White House is pushing Senate Democrats to get a bill passed and to the president's desk by year's end. But some opponents of government-run health care and its associated costs say they're prepared for a fight if the bill to be voted on contains a so-called public option.
I will not allow this bill to come to a final vote because I believe the debt can break America and send us into a recession that's worse than the one we're fighting our way out of today.
The House bill does contain a public option, as does the Senate version currently being prepared by Senate Democratic leadership. And Representative Cow's yes vote ended up being unnecessary, with the bill passing 220 to 215. Democrats only needed 218 votes to pass the bill, but the single Republican vote did prompt House Speaker Nancy Pelosi to claim bipartisan support for